In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the colors on NinjaTrader. Now to do this, there's actually a few different ways. The first one's going to be to change the overall application theme or skin. So to do this, you want to go to Control Center and you want to click on Tools and then go to Settings at the very bottom. Inside Settings here, you can see it's going to say Skin and I have Dark, but there's a bunch of different ones. You have Light, NinjaTrader, NinjaTrader Dark, Slate Gray, and Slate Light. So it's up to you whichever one you want to select. Just click on it, hit apply, and you may also have to restart your application to actually be able to see the change, okay? So that's the first way to change the colors. Then of course you can also go and change chart element colors like backgrounds, grid, crosshairs, and also candlesticks and bar colors. So first let's change these candlesticks over here. What you want to do is right click anywhere on your chart, and then what you want to look for here is data series, which is towards the top. You could also press Ctrl F to enable this, but I'm just going to click on this, and then there we go. As you can see here inside my chart, I can go down to chart style, and this is where I can change my colors. So I can go and, for example, change the color for up bars. I can click on here and make these. Let's actually do something like, I don't know, we'll do blue. There we go. And then I'm going to do color for down bars. It's going to be like, let's do purple, okay? And of course you can do doji bars as well if you wanna. I'm going to make these green and I'm going to click on here where it says apply. And there we go. The changes have been applied over here, okay? So that's how we can do that. That's how we can change these things in here. And if you go down here, you have the option to change colors for trading hours break lines, for plot executions, and for color execution buy, sell, etc. for the profitable and unprofitable trade line. There's a bunch of things you can change and change colors in here, okay? So just scroll down, and whenever you can see something which has the color, it means you can most likely change it. Then when you're done, hit the OK button, and that's when it comes to, of course, chart candles and whatnot. So if you want to then change the background, the grid, and crosshair, you can do that too by right-clicking and then going to Properties at the bottom. Inside Properties, you can see there's a bunch of things, and if you scroll down, you will come to Colors, and here you can change things like chart background, which I'm going to do right now just to show you as an example. I'm going to do yellow, and then you have crosshair labels, which you can also change. I'm going to make all of these like yellow over here, and you have inactive price markers, you have text over here, which you can also change, data series watermark, selected wrong marker, etc. And when you click apply, there we go. As you can see, it's going to apply everything, and it's going to be much more colorful. Now here you also have the option to change the lines like axis, crosshair, grid line, etc. You can change all these colors and customize it however you want, okay? And yeah, again, you want to just scroll down and see where the color changes are possible, change those, hit apply and OK, and you've successfully changed your colors inside NinjaTrader. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.